Well, up here it is, guys. 5x10. I can't even get the 61 on it. And I can only put one more at a time on it, man. I can only put the 48 on it one time, or either the 52. Man. Well, I'm still blessed to eat, you know what I'm saying? Still blessed, though, to be able to work, man. At least I can say that, man.
Start smoking.
Fellas, actually, this is my third trailer. Yeah, if you ain't been watching, man, this is Boneyard Lawn Service. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe. And I know you guys like, how'd you get from that to that? I'll tell you what happened. I bought a brand new trailer last year, 2021. And man, I got hit from the back, had that thing less than 60 days. Got hit from the back, somebody not watching. Tore my whole trailer up. Tore my whole trailer up, man. So I still stay in an apartment, but I got a garage. It makes sense for me. And when I seen Mr. Curtis's video, it made all the sense in the world. What I've been doing and why I've been doing it with this business. I've been putting everything back into it since year one. I lost a job, man, that I had. I worked at the hospital, I lost a job. And that's how I was eating. And I said, man, I'm never gonna lose a job again. Never. I'm never gonna lose a job again. And ever since year one, man, I've been putting everything back into the business. And when I seen Mr. Curtis' video over at Weed Whacker Lawn Care, it made all the sense in the world. It was confirmation on everything I've been doing. Shout out to Mr. Curtis, man. Hope everything works out for you over there at Weed Whacker Lawn Care. But it made all the sense in the world, fellas. And today, I got a job I got to do on a rough one. And I'm not going to pull out the ones I've been using. I got, you can see I told you it's the 48. It's the one I first started with right here. This is my third mower. It's crazy. It's my third one. This is my second one. I bought this one, and when I bought it, had this about 60 days. The choke string come out. You know what I'm saying? So, but I still had the 48. So today I'm going to bring this out. I got a rough yard. This is the 52, the Toro. The blades are already sharp on it. I could just put it on there, man, and knock this rough thing out. But when I seen Mr. Curtis' video, man, it made all the sense in the world to me. And it was confirmation. Don't let anybody else tell you what to do with your business. Because what they'll say, that might just apply to their business, their life, their situation. That's not your situation. Those aren't your circumstances. Don't second guess yourself. If you feel you need to do something and you feel it's something that's going to be positive, man, act on it. Do not wait. Do not hesitate. Don't wait, man. Go ahead and get on it. And I'm going to tell you, man, I never wanted to lose a job again. My trailer got smashed last year. My truck got hit too. Hold on, let me show you something else too. Cause see, I didn't start off with red over there. Nah, I didn't start off with that. I had a 07 Silverado that I was gonna ride it out till the wheels fall off. That thing was paid off. It was a 07 Silverado, 200,000 miles on it. Man, when I first started my lawn service, I was praying on everything. Man, I ended up finding that truck for $2,800 right before all of the pandemic and everything hit. It was an older couple. The husband had strokes over the years and he couldn't drive no more. The truck had been sitting up under the tree for about 2.5 years, they said. The lady was too small to drive the truck and she wanted something smaller. Man, they sold me the truck for $2,800. I was gonna ride that thing till the wheels fall off, man. When the guy hit me from the back of my trailer, it totaled out my whole trailer. And it also hit the back of my truck and bent my whole frame. So the truck got totaled out along with the trailer. But when it happened, man, at the time, I was frustrated. I feel Mr. Curtis. I wasn't stolen, but I was frustrated. But at the time, man, I was down about 45 days. And I still had that 5x10 I first started with. And I found I ended up getting the truck. I didn't want the payment, but I gotta eat, man. That's how I eat. And I'm not trying to lose a job again. I was out 45 days, and I had some people that was like, hey, man, we'll miss one cut. As soon as you get back up, holler at us. I had to wait on insurance to pay me out on my other trailer. So I had the 5x10. I couldn't fit both the mowers on there. I could fit the 52, and I could fit the 48 on there. You know what I'm saying? I just got the 61 earlier in the summer. So I could fit only the 52 and the 48 on there, and I couldn't run both mowers. I had to switch them out. But I didn't lose as many jobs, and I still could go to work. And that's why I put all my money back into my business these first 3 years, fellas, because this is how I eat, and I do not want to lose jobs. This is how I eat, man. You know? And it's all on me. Everything's on me. That's how it is right now for me. Everything's on me. So it's see these shirts? Bought these shirts when I first started. I had a vision for all this. When you see a business, they don't just go down and tell you, hey, we can get back at you whenever we get back up and running. Usually when you run into companies, real businesses, man, hey, it might be some minor things. Management switch up or something, and the price or something might adjust or something like that. But other than that, the business is going to keep running. So that's just my input of why I put all my money back into my business the first 3 years. Didn't take a dime. I put everything back into it. And when I seen Mr. Curtis' video, it just was confirmation that everything I did had made sense. So got my push more, got my 3-0 turns. Got all my garage ain't the best, but you know what I'm saying, I can put a lock on, I can back it up. I'm blessed to have that. You know what I'm saying? I'm blessed to be able to have security. This is security. And you see my other mower is, it's over there at another storage that I just keep that, I mean my trailer, I just keep that there, man, just in case something happened. I'm actually thinking about building a landscape trailer with that trailer, because it's just there now and it's not using any money. And hopefully by the grace of God, nobody hits the back of my trailer again, destroys my trailer. And that's a 2021 again. So, and the guy even built it back better. He ended up making it where I paid less. And man, better trailer to me. So, but stay with me, man. I'm gonna get over here. I'm gonna show you this big, ugly yard I'm gonna knock out. It is ugly. Stay tuned. Boneyard Lawn Service, man. All right, guys. Yeah, that 5x10 y'all seen, that was my first trailer. Like I say, and then last year I bought a brand new trailer, and it ended up getting hit from the back. Had it had about 60 days, man. But we got a surprise for you guys coming up soon. I'm gonna show you something, man. But man, just stay motivated. And if you feel like you need to do what you got to do to make sure this business thing stays, if you feel like you're comfortable where you at, no equipment, or however you got it, hey, to each his own. And you know, as long as you stay positive, man, I believe it's gonna work out. One door closes, another one always opens. But yeah, that 5x10 is crazy. I got it in my other storage now. I never sold it. I decided to go ahead and keep it. And I was gonna sell it before I got my other one last year, and I said, man, something told me just keep it. And actually it's crazy because I get tax write-offs for paying for that storage, and also that storage unit reports to my business credit. So, I mean, it's paying for itself, kind of. You know, it's the cost of doing business sometimes, guys. But I'm gonna get down here and get to this yard, man. This mess that I got coming up, and I'll show it to you, man, here in just a second. All right, fellas, this is what we're looking at today. I got a freaking mess. I've already took the sign out the ground. See, they had been, they had been served. So he cashed at me last night. He lives in California. He moved here to Kentucky from California, and the prices in California was so high he was able to come to Kentucky and buy 3 houses for what he sold his house for last year. So, but he's got a lot of family and he stays back and forth a lot. He said he won't be here for about a little bit over a month. So I'm gonna get this thing knocked out, man. I'll let you in a second. All right, guys, got it knocked out. Now, he got the boneyard, get the city off my butt package. He didn't want everything. He just wanted the city off his butt. He said, man, I don't need everything lined up all good. I just need your weed eat real good. You don't have to blow or nothing. So, made it easier on me. I don't mind. Still got the same price. I told him what I wanted for one price. He didn't want it. He just wanted to get the city off my butt package. So, got him knocked down, man. I'm gonna send him some pics in a minute. He'll be pretty happy too. Cause man, I say this thing was looking crazy. I didn't even get to get all the way out here in the back to show you guys. We walked through it. We got a couple seconds. Hopefully you guys got a couple seconds too. But knocked out. This thing was all, man. If you could have seen it first, you couldn't even see it under the truck. Had to take care of it for him. Like I say, he's here. He lives, well, he's back in California right now. But that's where he's at, man. He's down here in Kentucky. Gotta take care of him, make him look good. Got him knocked out. Got him knocked out, fellas. Yeah, man. I'll let you guys in the next video, man. Hold on. I always say I'm about to get up out of here, and I always got something else for you. Just got weed whacker on my mind right now, man. Like I say, I hope everything gets back working and running like he was before. And I hope he comes back bigger, better than ever, man. So, but there's something I want to show you. I had to go grab me some new locks. Got these long ones. These little short ones was causing a little problem. So lock your equipment up, fellas. Make sure it's locked up real good. Boneyard Lawn Service. I'm out of here. I will holler at you guys in the next one.
Start smoking.